Hello, fellow gardeners. Today I am going to be talking about maximizing your space in a very small space. I am coming to you from my teeny tiny little kitchen. And when I say teeny tiny, I mean teeny tiny. Over here, that is the whole kitchen. Here is the project that I am talking about. This is one of my greenhouse stands that I am converting into my seed starting station. I usually have the cover on it, and in my other house I had a lot more space, and I had a couple of porches that I would sit my green stand out and have my seeds and everything set up. But here I have to make do with what I have. It is a small space. So this is what I am talking about today: maximizing a small space and making the most of what you have. I wanted to show you what I did to my green stand here. I actually attached some grow lights to the shelves, and for each shelf, as you can see, there's a grow light on the bottom of one. I'm going to install the next one, so I have one last space to put some more plants. And grow lights are, I found a nice set. Comes with a box of 6. They're really light. I'll have the link at the bottom of this video if you're interested. For this stand though, I just need to utilize 3. But as you can see, they are a little bit longer than the actual stand, so they poke out. So to take advantage of that, I actually moved in some of my plants that really been struggling through the winter. They really need some extra light requirements. So in this teeny tiny kitchen in the corner, I converted this to my seed station, my lighting station, where I plant up all of my little seedlings, and it's been working out well. So these lights come with a couple of different ways that you can actually install them. They come with a different type of hardware. They have some sticky stickers, double-sided stickers if you want to stick up. They have the traditional eye hook hang with a chain, or what I am going to be using is this clamp with the zip tie to clamp it to the light and then hang it from the bottom of the shelf. So then I'll have 3 levels of light that I can utilize for my seedlings. And then now I have the 3rd light. So I have extra space now to put more plants on the bottom here. It's very quick and easy to set up. You don't need a lot of tools. And that's pretty much it. So here is the finish. So we have the 3 lights. They're kind of long, sticking out, but you could still utilize that like I'm doing. And if you have some houseplants that need some loving, a little extra loving before they can actually go outside, I think it works out very nice. And then there we go. We got the third light in. So that was my indoor project today in my teeny tiny little kitchen. What do you think, crackers? Good? All right. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to check out my Facebook page or the website at thebluenarwhal.com, and just let me know. What are you working on? Really love to hear from you. All right. Bye for now.